Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the topic custom list from chapter number 6, more on spreadsheet, and page number is 73. Custom list help in defining the user defined list. This can save time and reduce errors. So, using the custom list, we can have an option that is very handy to fill a range of cells with your own personal list. It could be a list of your team members at work, countries, regions, phone numbers, or customers. The main goal of custom list is to remove repetitive work and manual errors in inputting. You can create custom list in two ways. First is by typing in the values in the custom list dialog box. Firstly, by typing the values in the custom list dialog box, you can create your own custom list. Or second way is by importing it from the range of cells, and you can create a custom list by importing the data from the range of cells into your own custom list. So we will do it practically. First is creating list by typing in values. First of all, we will create a custom list by typing in the values in the custom list dialog box. Click on the options present in the file tab. In the file tab, which option you have to click? Options. The Excel options dialog box appears. Excel options dialog box appears. Select the advanced option from the left pane of the dialog box. From this dialog box, this is the left pane. You have to select the advanced option. I repeat, first of all, click on file tab and then select the options. Then from the Excel options dialog box, you have to select the advanced option in the right pane. This is the left pane, this is the right pane. Under the general section, click on the edit custom list box and then type the entries in the list entries box. Let us say the name of 7 continents: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Press enter after each entry. Now we have selected the new list. That means we have to type a list of entries for this list, and we will writing a 7 continents name starting from the Asia till the Australia, and you have to press enter key after writing the each entry. If you have written Asia, then press enter key, then Africa, press enter key, North America, again press enter key, South America, press enter key, and then write the next name of the continent, that is Antarctica, press enter key, Europe, press enter key, Australia. And this way you will enter the list in the new list of your custom list box. Here, this is the list entries in which you have written all the continents name, and after writing the each, you will press the enter key and then click on the OK button. It will be added in the custom list. Name is new list and the entries is the 7 continents. When the list is complete, click on add button. When you have finished writing the list entries, then click on the add button. The list gets added in the custom list box. Click on OK. You have to click on OK. You will get back to the Excel options dialog box, this dialog box, and click on OK again to close it, and then click on this OK button and this dialog box will be closed. I repeat all steps once again. First of all, click on the file tab and then select the options, and then Excel options dialog box appears. From here you need to select the advanced option. and then the custom list dialog box appears. This is the custom list dialog box appears. Before the custom list dialog box, this is the left pane and this is the right pane. On the left pane, you have to select the advanced option. On the right pane, under the general section, you need to select the edit custom list. Then custom list dialog box will appear. Then you have to select new list in the custom list dialog box. You have to select the new list because you want to create a new list, and then type the entries in the list entries. This is the list entries box in which you will write the 7 continents. After writing each continent, you have to press the enter key. When you finish writing all these 7 continents, then click on the add button. This entries will be added to the custom list, new list, and then click on OK button. You will come back to the Excel options dialog box and then again click on OK button. In this way, you will create your own custom list by typing in the values. Next is creating list by importing the values. In custom list dialog box, specify or select the cell reference containing the list of items in the import list from cells box and click on the import button. This is the press import list from cells. Here you need to specify or select the cell reference that contain the list of items in the import list from cells, and then click on the import button. List items will be added in the custom list box. The list item from these cells will be added in the custom list box, and then you have to click on OK twice on each dialog box to close them one by one. First of all, here you have to click OK, and then when you come back to the Excel options dialog box, you also have to click on OK button to close both the dialog box on your screen. And see, we have mentioned the entries from A1 to A7. A1 to A7, and then click on import button. All these entries will be added in the list entries of the custom list. New list will be created and list entries have been picked up or imported from the cell reference ranges. And the cell reference range starts from A1 colon A7. These 7 entries will automatically added to the list entries of the custom list dialog box. To import the list of items should already be present in a worksheet. So if you want to import a list of items, then those list of items should already be present in a worksheet. जो वर्कशीट आप करंटली वर्क कर रहे हो उस वर्कशीट में आपकी वो लिस्ट ऑफ एंट्रीज प्रेजेंट होनी चाहिए जिसको आपने इंपोर्ट करना है इन योर कस्टम लिस्ट dialog box. Thank you, students.